Algebra, our favorite. Let's have a look. I know we all say, no, no, no. No, but it is really not that difficult. Let's break it down. So here we have question 4. Solve the following equation. And then what they are telling us that value of x, oops, my apologies, that value of x belong to R, so any number. So solve the equation, what does that mean? At the end of my calculation, doesn't matter how far I am going to go, but at the end, I want to tell them x equal a specific number, isn't it? That's where we are going. That's what we want to achieve. So I'm saying, okay, if that's where I'm going, where is my x? Well, that's where one of them is, so that's fine. The problem I'm having is on this side of the equation because this x is inside the bracket and this whole bracket is multiplied by 4. So first thing I need to do, I need to remove this x from the bracket, from the present. So how do we do that? We multiply, therefore. We'll multiply 4 by 2 by x and 4 by minus 5. Always, when you are kind of looking at stuff and you are confused, remember where you are going because that will give you a direction. When we are saying that 4 is multiplied by 2x, what we actually mean is that it is 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x. Now, what I can multiply here is 4 by 2. I can't multiply by x because I don't have it. So out of that multiplication, I'm going to have 8x. Okay, 4 multiplied by minus 5, I actually can multiply. I put that in my calculator, I get is minus 20, and then minus 1. Oops, our equal signs kind of fall all over the shop. Equal. And then on the other side, we just copy and paste. We don't do anything with that. So again, what do we do next? Again, ask yourself, where are you going? What are you trying to achieve? X on one side, numbers on the other side. So again, I'm saying, looking where I am at, I have 8x here and I have 3x here. So what is my problem? I need to have both of them on the same side of the equation. Now, which side? Doesn't matter. Let's say since I have 8x here, I'm going to say, come on 3, let's join together with 8. What happened when I move an item from one side to the other side? It changes the sign. So now it becomes minus 3x. And then I'm saying, let's have the numbers on the other side. So on this side of the equation, I have 7, so copy, paste. Now take 20, move to the other side, change the sign, plus 20. Then again, minus 1, take to the other side, change the sign, plus 1. Now somebody can ask me question, well, why don't you first add those together, minus 20 and minus 1? Yes, you can. If you want to, that's allowed. You can do that, or you can just move them and then just deal with the numbers at the end. Now, again, where am I going here? X on its own. So together I have here 2 x's. Together, how much do I have? I put in my calculator 8 minus 3 and I get that is 5 of the x's. And again, I can put everything on the other side in my calculator or not, up to me really. Okay, so the last thing, I want x, not 5 multiplied by x, because 5x means 5 multiplied by x. How do I get rid of that 5? To get rid of multiplication, we divide. But if we divide one side of the equation, we have to divide the other side of the equation. And why do we divide? Because 5 divided by 5, that is 1, and 1 multiplied by x is x. Therefore, yes, I have just x on one side of the equation, and on the other side, I have my number. So if I put all of that in my calculator, and I press equal, I'm going to get that is 28 over 5. And yes, we can leave it in the fraction form since there is no terms and condition to our answer. Excellent question for 5th year, excellent for 6th year. And yes, we do need to really know how to do that because it's not going to be only a part of just algebra question, but honestly, it's going to be a part of a lot of other calculation we're going to do throughout.